friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to my new and returning subscribers to episode 164 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. My friends, I have two very special guests with us who are going to join me in the kitchen. These are my cousins.
I'm David.
I'm Daniel.
Hello everyone out there in YouTube land.
Hello.
All right, boys, do y'all know which holiday's coming up?
Valentine's Day.
That's right. And tell everybody what we're going to make.
A red velvet cake.
That's right. And my friends, this cake is the bomb.com. It's going to be so moist and delicious. And the best part,
it's going to be magnificent.
And it'll be the best red velvet cake you ever had. All right, you ready? All together, boys. Let's go bake some red velvet magic in our southern kitchen. All right, Daniel, tell everybody what we have in this bowl.
We have 2 cups of stir-fried flour.
And David, and what we have in this bowl?
This is sugar, and this is baking soda.
And cocoa powder, yep.
And cocoa powder.
All right, David, go ahead and pour the sugar. All of it, there you go. And that's a teaspoon each of baking soda and cocoa powder. Go ahead and put that in. All right, and when y'all want to stir, okay, and stir all this until it's nice and well combined. All right, my friends, in this bowl here, let's add the vegetable oil, and that's 1.5 cups. Go ahead.
And then add the eggs?
Yes. These are two jumbo eggs.
Buttermilk?
Yes, that's 1 cup of buttermilk. And we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, all of it. Go ahead.
And
a teaspoon of vinegar.
Put in the food coloring?
Yes, put in the whole bottle. All right.
And
who won the mix?
We can mix
all this together until it's nice and well combined. Look at that beautiful red color. All right, my friends, now we're going to slowly pour the dry ingredients into the wet. All right, my friends, we got all the dry ingredients into the wet. And all we do is just blend this until our batter is well combined. All right, my friends, our cake batter is ready. Oh, isn't that beautiful, boys? Yeah. All right, my friends, now we're going to pour our batter into our cake pan, and we're using a heart shape. After all, it's Valentine's Day. Right, boys?
Sure is.
All right, go ahead and pour that in. I greased the pan with cooking spray. Lord have mercy, that looks good. All right, my friends, we got all of our cake batter in. So what we're going to do next, boys?
We're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees.
All right, my friends, we've taken our cake out of the oven, and boys, doesn't that look good?
Yes.
Delicious.
And you can smell it all over the kitchen.
Sure can. Ooh, it smells good.
All right, boys, what we do now?
We're gonna let the cake cool. Put the frosting on the cake.
That's right. All right, we'll be back. All right, my friends, our cake is nice and cool. We did a great job, boys.
Yes, we did.
Y'all ready for the best part?
Icing the cake.
Yeah, let's do this. All right, my friends, there you have it.
Our red velvet cake. And it looks delicious.
And we use some of the crumbs from the cake to garnish on top. Now, how gorgeous does that look, boys?
Oh, it looks deliciously gorgeously.
And your sweetheart will definitely enjoy this cake for Valentine's Day. Y'all ready to give it a taste?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, boys, here we go.
That's so good.
Good. My God, it's moist. What do you think?
This is probably the best velvet cake I've ever had.
Oh my God. I love red velvet cake. Red velvet delicious. All right, boys, I had a wonderful time. Thank y'all for joining me in the kitchen today.
You're welcome. We had a great time too. We sure did.
All right, I did too. I love y'all.
Love you too.
Well, we want to thank you so much for watching and joining us in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when our new videos come out. And we'll see y'all on our next video. Let's eat and happy Valentine's Day.